God, fatty. Fatty. Oh, fatty. You know I'm recording you, right? Fatty. So shit, your camera's showing, aren't you? You want attention, that's why you came up here. I got that. There we go. Let's go. Fatty. You're gonna keep barking at me, though. Owie. Stop trying to take down my pants. Okay. You don't like me blown on, do you? Fatty. Fatty. There you go. Where's the boy? Yeah, he's a good chunker, rascal. Who's a good chunker? Your nails. Owie. God. Yeah. God. You wanna go outside? I'm falling off the bed, rascal. Stop going down there. What's with your nails? Stop. Stop it. No, stop it. Oh my God. Ow. Owie. Ow. Scratched my face. Your nails need to be cut, Patty. Here we go, Patty. Who's your rascal? Oh, God. 2:30. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, oh my god, you gonna keep weighing on me, Dan? Are you gonna keep weighing on me? Are you gonna keep weighing on me? Yes, he is. He's gonna keep weighing on me because he can. Stop going down there. Stop it. Oh, got my itchy hand. Ah. Ow. I was like, he just like they blow at him. I didn't do anything. Oh my god, fatty. Come on, let's go outside. Do you want food? Do you want? What do you want? Why do you keep bothering me?